Alright, so we're going to be doing my first stash update for 4th of July 2021. So let's get started. Right here we have Put on a Happy Face. It's a 228 shot. We have 2 Witch Doctors. They're 200 shot. I have a case of Silent Rage. It's a 25 shot. I have 2 cases of the Masters. We have a Thor. It's a 130 shot. I have a Grand Champion. It's a 150 shot. And back here we have a case of Seek and Destroy rockets. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my first stash update. So anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.